What I'm going to do is I took a scrap of styrofoam and fit it down in here, and I wedged it really tight. And now I am going to set this right on top. Now I cut some little wedges of styrofoam, and I'm just going to tuck them right in here until that is really, really secure. You're going to want to head over to the Dollar Tree and pick up one of these garlands. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and go around my cone here, pin the garland to the cone. So I'm just going to start. I've got some pretty fall silk flowers, and I am just going to go ahead and poke this right into my foam tree. Now, if you don't have one of these fancy pick machines, one of the alternatives is wood wired sticks, okay? They look like this, and you buy them in a bunch. What you do is you put the wood wired stick up next to your stem, and you take this wire and you wrap the wire around the stem really tightly and around the green stick. At the end, you must wrap it just around the stick at least a couple of times, and then that won't come off. See, I can stick this right in. Here is a leaf that has just a stem that's not firm enough to stick into our styrofoam. We only need a little bit of this skewer, and we're going to put that stick right up next to the leaf, and then we're going to take the floral tape and wrap it around the leaf and around the skewer, and now you will be able to add that really easily. I'm just going to go ahead and keep building this up. I will use a combination of my steel pick machine and the skewers. And you can see it coordinates with my other items on my mantle just beautifully. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and I'm really glad I added the bittersweet around it. I think I'm going to have to add some bittersweet to my centerpiece here. And interesting thing, this centerpiece on the mantle was actually over my door, over my front door last year. Here you can see how well it coordinates, and the other end just has a couple of pumpkins stacked. So I hope you liked this and you are inspired to start getting ready for fall yourself. Have a great week, and I will see you next time right here on Home Talk.